There's no match report today, that is it. Horrible 2 goals to give away. Heart, desire, fight, and that strike at the end. Absolute limbs. Stadium went off. Feel that, feel that. How about that? Put an exclamation point on us. We are top of the league. We are top of the league. Say we are top of the league. We are top of the league. Say we are top of the league. We are top of the league. Say we are top of the league. As I say, there's no to say after that. That is just heart, determination and fight and quality at the very end. We don't know we're beaten. We do not know we are beaten. We keep fucking going. Come on! Tell them again! Top of the league! Peace. Victoria Concordia Crease set. We need to sharpen up, don't get it twisted. But we need that, come on. Fucking brilliant. Swear now. Inject that in me now. There is no high like that. Last minute winners. How many times do we need to show you? We've done it against Villa. We've done it against United. We've done it today. This team do not know when they're fucking beaten. Third time. Peace.